Hello everyone, and let's talk about what's the difference between the words jettison, jetsam, and flotsam. All these words mean items that were thrown out of a ship in case of emergency or disaster. But what's the exact difference? First off, jettison can be both a noun and verb, while jetsam and flotsam can be only a noun. Let's start with jettison. Jettison is a deliberate act of throwing out items out of a ship in case of emergency. And you need to do it because the ship is about to sink. You need to save the crew, the passengers, and your own life. Jetsam is pretty simple. It's exactly these or those items that were thrown out in this particular situation. And when it comes to flotsam, this word is slightly different, and it means items that were lost in the sea or the ocean because of shipwreck or some kind of other disaster. And you can find these items on the sea or the ocean surface or even on beaches. And that's all. I hope my explanation was pretty succinct. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.